Hi everyone, so this video is going to be a little bit of housekeeping because I have some things to say before I go on our last vacation of the summer. I'll be gone for the whole week, basically next week, the 12th through the 16th, but I'll get back pretty early on the 16th, so I don't know if I'll have anything fresh for that day. But I do want to talk a little bit about the craft day, so August 13th, HSN craft day, and then I have an auto ship in, and then I have some cards that people have sent, or some, kind of happy mail stuff, so I'd like to share those with you. If anything's still available, especially the things I discussed, because I'm going to talk about Spellbinders too, I will link all those things in the description box. If it's HSN, possibly in the little shopping bag here. And those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. So thank you for using those, if you like. I'll say them and those, and I just mix it together. But anyway, I really appreciate it, guys. That's what helps me make these videos and stay here making those videos. So thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. Real quick. Okay, so I do have, of course, and you saw a sneak peek of it maybe in a couple of videos that I put out, the Die & Press Today special, and it is already available. The auto ship option's already available. If you decide to go ahead and pick it up because you just want to grab that now, and maybe you're going to be busy on Tuesday on the craft day, August 13th, or I don't know, but it is there. Obviously, you're going to be paying shipping today. I'm assuming they're going to have some kind of craft cart on Tuesday, or Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, or maybe just Tuesday. I don't know. And the bummer part is that I'm going to be on a cruise, and I don't know if I'm going to have signal, even though it's going to stay around Catalina before it goes to, like, Ensenada, I don't know how that works. So if I have signal or, I'll update people or do whatever I do, but generally I kind of want to just go ahead and go on the vacation and leave it at that. But I have a ton of videos ready to go. So usually what I do is whenever it's a Today special or something like that, I'll put like a bigger video or an unboxing of it like on Monday evening going into the Tuesday, and I usually do a live premiere, so the video's already recorded. This is already recorded. I've used it in other videos too, but I've already done a whole video on it. And I don't want to release it right now. What I was going to say is if you go ahead and pick it up, and then obviously it's going to change price on Tuesday or even Monday evening going into Tuesday, you can get a price match. You can just message with them online or just give them a call and they'll refund, the difference. And it's going to be, what you mostly think of a Today special difference. I'm not going to say too much because I don't really know the pricing, but I have an idea of where it's going to be. So it's generally what you expect, the lowering of price for a Today special. Hopefully that's good enough for you guys. Info for right now. Maybe they mentioned how much it was going to be. I don't know. I haven't watched the Beth's presentation yesterday because I was super busy, guys. Okay, so I love it. I love it so much. I'll just show you really quickly. Oh my gosh, this pen, the shimmer pen, I think it's so pretty the way they put it together. Look at the presentation of it. I think it's so cool. And then it has obviously the little thing in there that helps you shake it up, so that's what you're seeing in there. But it just adds a glimmer shimmer wherever you would like. I mean, the watercolors are awesome. You saw me using them probably already in a video or two. You have your stamps. The auto ship, oh my gosh. So you'll see all this in my unboxing, and like I said, I'm probably not going to put that video out until Monday. Although I could release it now, right? I want to hold on to it. I'm still going to make it a live premiere, so if I'm in the chat, wonderful. If I'm not in the chat, you guys can chat with each other. So I'm going to set that up already. By the time you see this video, it'll be slated, the unboxing for Monday evening, okay? And I usually make it like around 7:30, 8 p.m. at night, so it goes right into the midnight for Tuesday. So hopefully you guys can join and chat with each other if I'm not available, but we'll see. I hope I can get in there. Oh, I don't have my mat. The mat fits in here too, and I just have it over there because I've been using it. But anyway, it's all here. It's really, really great, and the auto ship on this is adorable, so you guys know that means I'm going to pick it up another one because I want to get in on the auto ship. So I'll be ordering my own on that too. Real quick, Spellbinders usually launches their new collections on the 10th. If you're a member, you've already had access to them. But a lot of times they'll release them on the 9th in the afternoon or evening, so you'll probably see a video or two from that. Having said that, some of the items are scrapbooking. So as far as Scrap Your Stash, I'm going to use some of those things that I have. Obviously, you can do something similar with Scrap Your Stash. It's for, the whole point is using the things you have. I'm going to use papers that I have. I'm just going to use some of the new dies. Okay, so I don't know that video is going to go out today, Friday, because I had another video ready to go ahead of that, talking about the new collections being released, so it's weird to put that one and then bring in the other one, so you might not see a scrapbooking video for a couple days. It might be later today. I don't think so though. Tomorrow or Sunday. So just a little housekeeping on those things. Let me think. Oh yeah, so there's some of the new collections. I already made some videos for. I mean, this is Yana's Poppies, and this is the it says happy hour, but it also says cheers. I don't know what they're calling it now, but anyway, I made one card, and this collection has so many dies and cool things that go with it, so die sets, so I'll definitely have more tutorials on that. And then of course, you know, just showing you some of the examples I made with the die and press items. I have not released the video for the Halloween pets, guys, and I can't express this enough. Halloween pets and Harvest Alpha are going to have a Autoship option. I do not know why they haven't released it on HSN. I was like, maybe it's only the Autoship option, so if I put it in my cart, it'll tell me it's an Autoship, but no, they just haven't released the Autoship option. So you're not going to see these videos until the Autoship option is there, because I don't want someone to pick it up and then have missed out on the Autoship. And that's always a bummer. So in the video I said, if you're watching this video whenever I release them, that means the Autoship is available. So super cute, the Autoship on the little pets. The Alpha, they are adorable, and in that video I also show them. But if you watched, you know, Die and Press's sneak peek, you'll have seen them. Oh, that's a different card. This guy, I do have the pop-up one ready to go for you guys. I'll just release it when, you know, probably Saturday or Sunday or whatever. I usually do one video a day because I don't want to overwhelm, especially because I have Spellbinders videos. I have other videos to release too. So I use the Occasions pop-up kit from last today's special to do this, and then the colors of the paper that are inside. This is so easy, you guys. It is super easy. The video is so quick because it's so easy. You've already seen the Nature Scenes, I think is what it's called. Of course, Home for the Holidays, super cute. I'm just going to go quickly through some of the cards. The Thankful, this one is so adorable. I love this set. And then mixing and matching, you guys. There's so many ways to mix and match the sets this month. You're the Apple of My Eye. This one's very rustic and very cool. We have our little, if you guys remember, the window one here. I will say, if you threw something in your cart for one of my links and they're going to buy it on Tuesday, can you please come back and just click on any link in my video so that way it refreshes that affiliate relationship. Generally, it might last a day or a week. It just forgets, and I don't know, you know, with each program how long they keep the info for. So if you can please refresh, just come back and click on it, any link, and it'll remember that we were buddies. So there you go. There's the Foxy Fall, super cute. Oh my gosh, this one is so gorgeous. And again, I could have put the circle anywhere. I put it dead center because that's just what I'm used to doing. And my flower ended up on the side, but it looks really cute that way. But I could have brought that circle down here. Remember, all those fun things. I think one's called Beautiful Day. Yeah. This is the one I just released, the Christmas Cardinal, or Cardinal Christmas, I don't know, and I used the watercolor and the shimmer there. Hope you can kind of see it. Very pretty. Our little guy where I show you guys how to make your own little wobble. Really fun. Arches. This is the Harvest Arches, where the other one was the Halloween Arch, this guy. And yeah, so... And then I did some backgrounds, the stencil backgrounds I have over here. So you guys will see those. Oh my gosh, you know what? My gosh, I haven't released this video yet, but it's the confetti paste, guys. Look how cool that is. The effect. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. This one I did watercoloring and confetti paste. So you'll see that video soon. I haven't released that one quite yet. I might be releasing that one today, but I have to look, see what I have left. Okay. I think that's that. Tonic is still running their 60% off sale, 60% off all their dies, everything that they have in their repertoire other than the last 3 months of new releases. Okay, so the last 3 months are still going to be, you know, maybe a sale price, but not the 60% off. They released 3 new collections, basically. The Festive Fair, which I showed you guys, and then they have a Candy Cane Christmas and... Glad Tidings? Merry Tidings? Something like that? I can't remember right now, but I ordered all of them, so, you know, I'll receive them whenever they ship, and maybe they've already shipped, I don't know. So I did order those to show you guys, but right now they have a bundle offer, and then they are having a tiered discount, which ended after 2 days, so I don't know, it might end today or if it already ended, so I'll have that info in the description box, because as soon as you put something in your cart, it'll have an extra discount on it. After $50, $70, $80, or $100. At $100, you get 25% off. Okay, I think that's everything I was going to talk about. Again, I'll try to patch in with you guys on Monday, but I don't know that it'll work. So I do have this auto ship from Diamond Press. It's the interactive kit Boo to You, and I know I haven't done the video for the other interactive auto ship yet because I was trying to wait to see if they would have extras either on My Diamond Press or on HSN, and they have not. So that's just what happened. They just haven't. So I'm just going to go for it whenever I can. It's not going to be this week. Okay, so I do have some videos slated to go out next week, but it's not going to be the things that I picked up on my own. Possibly, I mean, mostly not. Okay, oh, this is from Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. So, here's to a wonderful year ahead. Look how gorgeous this is. Lisa Fitzpatrick, thank you. So, like I said, I have a little bit of happy mail here to share with you guys. This is beautiful. I love the way she did the paper. Look, it goes from blue to purple with her little hummingbird. And you guys see I have my little hummingbird friend. I put out a video. I have tons of video footage of these hummingbirds. And I'll release it as I see fit. I love the background. Look at the little sparkle on there. That is really gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Feliz cumpleaños, she says. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Thank you. Yeah, it was a great day. And that's another thing. I have video for my birthday a little bit, and I haven't even released that. We went to teppanyaki in the evening on Sunday because Dorian had band camp, and I have band camp, you know, a little music to regale you guys with, so I need to put that video together as a short. And this one's from Kathy Fox, so thank you so much, Kathy. Oh my gosh. August 2nd, 2024. Look at birthday green. This is so lovely. Just elegant and beautiful Anna Griffin card there. How pretty. I love the way she matched everything. I mean, look at this. The little flowers really go with everything there. Birthday greetings. I'll read this to myself. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. So you guys, I don't know which one this is, and I have a feeling I might know which one this is, but I ordered the, I reordered it, so it's going to be on its way. But again, I'll receive it early, but I won't be here to show it to you guys. The Anna Griffin, like, Harvest or Thanksgiving, I don't know if they call it pop-up or it's called like something card, but it's something like this. So when you open it, it has these different layers. That is really cool. Thank you so much. I haven't seen one of these in real life, so that's beautiful. Yeah, wishing you a day that is filled with love and happiness. Love, Kathy. Thank you so much. And then she always includes a little something for me there. So thank you for my gift. Kathy, that's so sweet. Thank you. And then I got a postcard from, I think it also says Kathy. Not the same Kathy, it's a different Kathy. Look at how cute. Little cheeses and things. And it looks like what she's asking is, I'll cover up her email, if you could only buy one Ferris wheel, Energy, or Diamond Press. And I think she's asking like what I would buy in my opinion. Those are very different in my opinion because the Ferris wheel one also comes with the cute little, the carousel? It has a couple different designs, but it is smaller, right? So it's geared more for like an A2 size card, where the Anna Griffin one is definitely a 5x7 type of a card, right? I mean, it makes its own card. I'm assuming she's talking about the Ferris wheel easel. So I don't have an answer for that. I think the Anna Griffin one is elegant and it's awesome in the way it makes its own card, but it's really fun the way Diamond Press made theirs interactive. So I don't know. I don't know if that helps, but I guess if the question is if you can only buy one, I would probably do the Anna Griffin one. But, you know, again, it just depends on what you're looking for. That set is super cute. The way it makes its own card base and all that, and I think she did a really nice job of all the little layers that came with it, which sometimes, you know, that's remiss. Okay. Yeah, so this is the one, like the little pull tab one, like a little conveyor kind of pulley kind of belt. So again, it comes with the mechanism. Again, it comes with a new card front. It comes with all the pieces that you need for that. Let's see here. I'm just gonna open this up carefully, and then we'll tutorialize these when I get back, guys. Oh, when I get back shortly after that, the kids go back to school on Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, one of those days, I don't know. And I'll be having my day again to make all kinds of videos, so it'll be much more relaxed than when I feel like I have to go, you know, get these videos done 5 or 6 in the morning before the kids wake up. So huge stamp set. Beware, fangs for all you do. So obviously these go on what's going to look like maybe a tombstone. Yeah, we have it right here. How cute. Oh my gosh. And very similar tombstones to the ones that Diamond Press has put out in the past. I mean, you can make your little jack-o'-lantern faces, the little characters, you guys. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. And then it comes with your tools that you'll need, you know, your acetate, the metal to die cut into. Always has the the sticky dot sheets, your cutting folder for the marquee, and then tons of instruction. There are 4 pages of instruction here, so yeah, quite a bit to do. But let's look at some of the finished examples, because that'll be very cute. So basically you pull it, and then the little character comes out from behind the tombstones, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to jump into this one. Super cute. I think this one only has one direction. You know how the other one had, it either goes one or the other way, but that's good. So it's geared toward just looking at it one way. I think the other one might have confused some folks with the 2 different orientations I had. But anyway, alright guys, well thanks for watching. Hopefully that was some info for you guys. Like I said, I could release the unboxing right now, but if you're super curious, you just know in my unboxings I'm measuring things, I'm doing all these things if need be, right? So mine's a little bit different than what Diane Press and Beth present, but hopefully you saw a lot of examples. If you haven't seen those, go check out their YouTube channel, Diane Press, and I will have my unboxing Monday evening, and you'll see the thing in action in some of my other videos, possibly the whole, the Today Special, but the unboxing video I'll hold until Monday. So I just wanted you guys to have that info, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you here again later today. Like I said, I have tons of videos. I just, in my mind, I have them going out in a certain order, so you will have a Diamond Press video today, and possibly a Spellbinders video today. So alright guys, well thanks for watching. I'll see you all at the next one. Again, all the links will be there in the description box, possibly in the shopping bag right here for the different things that I spoke about. And I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.